Okay, so this is the beginning of the lithophane marble lampshade. There's a mouthful there, but this is just the beginning of it. This is part of the beginning of a 3-day print. And right now, it means we're only at 3% complete, so we've got a ways to go here. So I'm just going to take a few quick video shots of this as it gets bigger until it's completed. So this will be the first one. Alright, we're at 74% complete. It's getting there. It's probably got about oh boy, over 12 hours left in this. 2.5, almost 3 days print. But I think it's going to come out pretty good when it's done. Well, next time we see this, it should be complete. Only 12%. Alright. Okay, so 2.5 days later here, almost 3 days, it's finally done. The Lithophane Lamp Shade. So these are the pictures I chose for it, but you can put I can put any pictures I want on here, as many as I want, and go around it. It's you know, it's pretty cool. I'm going to demonstrate now. It looks a lot better, trust me. Here we go. Pretty cool right there. I mean, the detail is absolutely awesome. Got all the superheroes on here. That's pretty cool. Nice thing is you could put your favorite vacation spot, maybe a picture from a vacation you were on, you know, your kids, grandkids, your dog, anything you want, anything that you know you'd want to see when you turn on the light. So it's pretty cool. This is going to go nice on my collection. So I still have another something else I'm going to build. I don't know how long it's going to take yet, so I'm gonna get started on that tonight. But I'll post that after I build it and print it all out. But this here is this is pretty wild. I've actually been wanting to do one of these for a long time. I've just got into other projects. So finally I got into, I finally got moving on this. So I mean, it's great. And you know, I also did the night light, which some people have seen that. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll do another one with some other pictures, just some landscapes and things, and see how it looks. It should look pretty good. But before I do that, I'm going to do that one other project. I don't want to say what it is. I'm just going to kind of, throw it on YouTube and on my Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. All right, Falcon out.